A lot of updates to tell you about this week, but first, let's check in with Claudia Perez. Remember, her community fridge was thriving until someone did this, cut the electrical cord. Well, since our story, the fridge has been fixed, and now some local businesses want to help. Take a look.
It was such a shock. I couldn't believe it.
It was last month this community fridge on 2nd Avenue in East Harlem was vandalized.
Now, it's empty. Hopefully we're able to fix it.
After Pix 11 News' story, the community really came together. We went back Friday. All right, let's check in. It looks like the fridge is busy. Claudia, Miss Perez, it looks like everything's going pretty smooth.
Yes, we're back open, and as you see, the people are here.
It's all thanks to Perez and the Gotham Food Pantry. The fridge is repaired and now full of food again.
He has started the most NYCHA refrigerators in our community.
How many?
Well, right now we're at 6. We have requests for another 30.
There's more. The Harlem Baking Company and Big Dipper Caramel saw our story, and they're now selling a specialty dessert. A portion of the proceeds is now going to help keep the fridge filled.
It's been, a team effort.
Washington House's Community Fridge! Yay! And remember the owner of Diller on the Lower East Side? The owner, Mike Garlick, was behind the grill by himself. He lost 5 workers during the pandemic and couldn't find people to replace them. We went back Friday. Good to see you.
Yes.
What happened?
Oh man, it was a good turnout. A lot of people really showed their support.
And we're going to continue to follow Garlick's quest for a new team. If you can help, or if you just want to see all of our stories, just go to pix11.com/Monica or reach out to us at Monica Morales TV on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. We're making it happen on the Lower East Side. Monica Morales, Pix 11 News.